Hamanina Oli Jahan in Sele. We come in peace and we go in peace. Welcome, darling Virginia. I am Lana from the Pleiadian Council. We have been called upon and we are listening. We want to answer your questions. You have been one of us in your multi-dimensional existence. And remember this because many of you are awakening now in these times of turmoil, of energies, and of expansion. When you seek out souls like this one, which has a purpose, which has a mission, which also volunteer to come here to help. We are following, we are seeing, we are listening. And you want to understand how we are living. Our life is very free. Our life is very open and caring and about love and about exploration, exploring and learning. Many of us live on our spaceships, which are very huge. They are occupied by thousands of individuals, and we visit many star systems, including Earth. And here we are trying to help to raise the frequency so Earth can free itself from the darkness which it has gained upon itself. In many ways it is a learning process. Many of you come here to learn different tasks and about yourself for growth. Our life is very beautiful. It is filled with light. It is filled with creation, creativity. We do not have work in that space as you have to earn money. We produce to give, to be creative, to expand, to learn, to create beautiful things. Our technology is also very automatic and advanced. We have a lot of AI working for us, doing our tasks, so we can do what we love and like. You humans are also coming to this stage now. It is starting. The only thing you have to be aware of is that you don't use your advanced technologies for war, as is a problem here, because you have many warlike souls. But these are also part of the learning process, which calls growth and expansion in the theater of life and the physical awareness. Everything is frequency, everything is layers, and you know a lot about this already. I, Lana, with Ashtar Command, are now situated around your planet Saturn. Here we are, watching, monitoring, and also helping and educating many humans. I have given the task to have this channeling because I am also under education to learn how to become a trainer and an enhancer of the human endeavor on earth, and also to be one who steps in to channel messages of love if there are someone which want to carry out those messages with their light and their wisdom. On my home planet Taygeta, which is situated in another time space continuum, you can say in another layer of existence, we live and create together. We live in love, and we always help each other if we need that light. We have a lot of AI which works for us, so we can freely educate and give to those which is in need. We do not want to interfere with your society here too much, because you are also learning and growing. That is a part of your experience, of your soul expansion. You have multi facets of yourself around the universe, and this is one part which is having an experience which is called human. We are also very human, but we are a little bit different. We do become pregnant, but we can also grow our children in what you call cryotubes. So we are far advanced. But you have also learned many of these things, but you will also have this disclosure which will come forward, and everything will change very fast, and you are in that process. Our daily lives is based on unity, is based on living freely, is based on doing what you love. We also have Arcturian visitors, ambassadors here, which this one is very tied up onto. You all have many different aspects of yourself. This is an important one because you learn so much which you can't learn in our planets of love. That's why you dip your toes into darkness and the shadow, to see more of yourself, to rise above the challenges and give that higher light. Our political structure is based on councils, which are again tied to federations of worlds. Your human space endeavor has also become to some extent a member of our federation, although you're still in the process of unifying and uniting your humanity under one flag and one purpose, one direction, which is love. it will come to pass, and it has started. There is resistance now, but it is only uniting you even further. Remember who you are and your sole purpose to give and to become a light for others. I am now under my commanding officer, which is Ashtar Sheeran, and he is guiding me and teaching me. I am his apprentice in many ways, and he's teaching me to become a light for others. Why are you asking these questions? Because you lived as one of us in a time of love, and you are starting to remember it. But you have also many aspects in other planets where oneness rules, not separation and hate. And you are remembering this. That's why you have brought your attention to this one, to get us love and that feeling of oneness and joyfulness, and remembering that you all are something more than what you are here. This is just an experience, a short one, for growth and expansion of your soul. But you know that. You can feel it. You can feel the change coming. Might it be some turbulence first, but you will get there. And we will help you. Thank you from the Council on Hope and Light, from the Pleiadian Federation, which is a part of the Federation of Worlds, or what you call the Federation of Light. Hey, thank you on your journey, and we are here for you if you have more questions, but you already know these answers. Thank you and much love to you on your journey.